How to fix camera crashing in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open your settings and scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and open your camera app. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then scroll down and click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.